Hi guys, only 1 week out now before we have our next event at Hope Island Golf Course, and I'm here with Reine Clemow from Acquire Wealth. Now, as you know, we always talk about how to acquire your portfolio of properties, how to leverage really cleverly and build a portfolio in that stage when you've got your income happening. And then Reine's going to be filling us in a little bit more about what to do pre-retirement to maximise your portfolio and how to diversify, not just with property but away from property as well. So Reine, fill us in, mate, just briefly.
Thanks, Mike. So we focus on building our clients' net worth. And the important part of that is having enough capital behind you so you can retire comfortably. As you transition into retirement, you have to focus on liquidity and income. It's not about growing your capital as much as it is preserving that capital and making sure you've got enough income to live off it comfortably. So there's a range of strategies we look at. We make sure we focus on tax, we maximize superannuation, we look at how you can maintain the properties you've got while holding any debt or not, and it's all about creating income from the capital you've built. So come along, it's going to be an important information that we're going to share with you, and we hope you're going to have a great night.
Click the link below. It'll cost you $20, but there's a lot more value coming back in that. We've got some drinks and some food, and you'll get a copy of my great new book that's out in the bookstores now.